friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? You might know because it probably says it in the title of the video, but oh well. It is time for another episode of 30-second card in 5 minutes. If you are new to the Stamps of Life, or if you're new to Stephanie Barnard, or if you're new to this video series, the 30-second card, you need to go watch the very first one, and it'll explain so much. Keep in mind, we taped that first one approximately 15 years ago. What? I know, isn't that crazy? Woo! Okay, what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna make a card in 30 seconds. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a couple things. I do know I'm going to, because this is the easiest way to make a 30-second card. I'm gonna use our large circle flip it. I've used this one many times in the past. It's one of those go-tos I use all the time, even when I'm not making a 30-second card, but I'm gonna show you how fast this can be. I'm also going to use, this one also comes with, I mean, doesn't come with, but are optional purchases, lots of big circles, like birthday wishes, happy spring, just pray, thinking of you, thank you, friend, thank you, my friend, happy summer, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna use our new one, happy fall. So we have that. I have some colors out. Of course, I have fall colors out. I have ginger snap. I have cantaloupe, because cantaloupe used with these could be fall. I have marigold. I have twig. I have some chocolate. I do also have a paper pad called You Made My Day, which is really cute. And I'm kind of looking at this going, okay, which paper pad which one do I want to use? And I did pull this one, but I'm going to change to dark brown. So I do have that out. Kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do. Ken, are you ready with the timer? He's giving me a thumbs up. So I'm looking at this. Marigold is a pretty orange, by the way. I am going to get my stuff set up. The 3 biggest dies in the flip it are the most important. On your marks, hang on. Let me make sure this is all lined up. On your marks, get set, start the time. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first things first, we're going to lay this down, lay that down, and we're going to run that through. So this is going to die cut it and score it at the same time. So boom, done. We're going to grab that. We're going to grab the layering dies. We're going to grab this. We're going to die cut those, dun, 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 just like this. We're going to try to die cut all of our stuff really fast. Lay that down. This is a random pattern, so we don't have to worry about lining up the dies, which is awesome. So we're kind of pretending, oh no, our mailman's gonna come. I gotta hurry. Then I also need to die cut my happy fall. And I did grab out my adhesive scraps, and ooh, this foil, look at that. Gonna lay that down, lay this down. Gotta kind of line it up a little bit so it looks fairly decent. There we go. Grab this, run that through. Oh, don't turn, don't move, hang on. Try that again. Don't move. I got to have it a little centered, right? Oh gosh. A little centered, please. And if I had my masking tape handy, I'd grab it. And it's still not centered. And that's going to bug me. Hang on. One more try. There we go. A little better. There we go. We're going to run that through. Now, that's a lot of blade. Ooh, we did it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this big circle. Bring that over here. Take that big circle, and we are going to get some dark brown scrap. This is chocolate covered. It's chocolate colored. Covered. I wish it was chocolate covered. That would make my life different. And then we're going to run that through. And now, you guys, I think we are ready to put some stuff together. Here we go. We are going to move this all over. Move this over. Get that out of here. We are going to glue some pieces on here. So we have our layering pieces there and there. Let's get some adhesive. Look at this. We're going to see, I told you flip it's so easy, you guys. They're so dang easy. It's almost embarrassing. There we go. Boom. Then I could do that side, but I'm not going to. I don't want to introduce yellow. So we're going to, or blue, or pink. And so we're going to do this one right there. Just like that. We're going to fold it. Hold it in the air. Fold it in half towards you. Take the top flap, fold it up. Turn it to the left. Little side's always on the left. And we look, oh my word, look at this. Now this has adhesive on the back. Remember, I grabbed it from my scraps, my orange scraps. We're gonna grab this, we're gonna peel this adhesive backing off. And this is gonna be one stair. Look, all the extra trash came off with that. Look at this, you guys. It's gonna line up perfect on there. Press, press, press. Give it a little burnish because you want it to touch the cardstock. We're gonna add that to here. We're going to run that like that. Oh my goodness. Ken, you better be ready, dude, because we are going really fast here today. And we're going to lay that down right there. And what is that little piece right there? What is that? What is that? Oh gosh, what is it? What is it? What is it? There, it folded under. There we go. Okay, then, dun 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 dun, we need something right here. I have a stamp, Count Your Blessings. How appropriate is that for fall? Count your blessings, even though, okay, perfect. Last but not least, Ken, you better be ready with that. Personally, stop! I didn't hear it ding. Okay. Okay. Dude, I think I built a record. I think I made a record. Somebody's gonna have to do the research and figure out if I just beat a record. Here we go. Stamped even, twice even. Here we go. Happy fall with foil cardstock in there, or foil paper. Happy fall. Open that up. Count your blessings. I can write my message on there. Turn it over. I have my personalized stamp even on the back. What does it say? This card is priceless. You must save it forever. Made just for you. Hugs, Stephanie. Let me tell you a trick. I actually used 2 of my personalized stamps together to create that. So the first one I had said, this card is priceless. You must save it forever. Then I had another one made that says, made just for you, Hugs, Stephanie. I put them together and I made my own stamp. We make personalized stamps on our website. Okay, I'm just telling you, Ken, that was probably a record and somebody's gonna have to look it up. So what was the number? That might be a record. Is that a record? He doesn't know. Somebody's got to do the research. Is that a record? Shirley, I know you have a spreadsheet somewhere of all my times. You got to let us know. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Clap louder. I don't hear you clapping. Oh my goodness. And look how, okay, if you gave this card to someone, they'd freak out. They'd freak out. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay. Whew. Did it. I did it. I did it. Paper pad that I used, you made my day. My friends, thank you so much. I think you just saw history happen. Thank you for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And it's awesome. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm here with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the future grows every day. And yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm here with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that. Cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl.
Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.